Hello, fourth graders. We are back at learning mean, median, mode, and range. Yesterday, you learned median with Mrs. Myers. This was yesterday. Remember, that is the middle number. Today, we are going to learn about mean, which is the average set of a group of numbers. So the first order of business that you're going to do is you are going to find the sum of the numbers. Sum means I'm going to add. So I'm going to add all of those numbers together. The next thing I'm going to do after I add them all together is I'm going to divide the number that I had. So maybe I had 12 by the number of digits that I had. So now I am going to divide it by 4, for example. So if I'm going to show this right here, it says right here, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 plus 13. That all equaled 42. I take 42, so that's my number here, right there, and I divide it by how many digits I had. So there were 7 numbers. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. So let's do a couple together. So say I have 6 plus 5 plus 7. What do you get? 6 plus 5. So if I do 6 plus 5, you're going to get 11. 11 plus 7, you're going to get 18. Okay, so I'm going to take that number and I'm going to divide it by the number of digits that I have. So I have 1, 2, 3. So I go 18 divided by 3. So what is 3 times what equals 18? My mean then is 6. Okay, so that's my answer for that problem. Here's another one. I'm going to go 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 8. Okay, so what am I going to get? I'm going to go 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. So I'm going to get 24. Now, how many numbers do I have? How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go 24 divided by 4. Okay? So what is 24 divided by 4? My answer is 6. So my mean is 6. That's my average. I keep giving you 6 answers. Okay, let's try another one. 12 plus 8 plus 4 plus, let's go back. Let's give you a little easier one. 9 plus 11 plus 1 plus 7. All right, so I'm going to go 9 plus 11 is 20. 20 plus 8 is 28. Okay, because this is 20 here and this is 8 here. So I'm going to add those two together. So I have 28. How many digits do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to divide that by 4. So my mean is what? So 28 divided by 4 is 7. Okay, one last one. So this one I'm going to do a little challenging one because we have bigger numbers and you have more numbers. So I'm going to go 12 plus 8 plus 4 plus 16 plus 10. Okay, what does that equal? Okay, so these two numbers equal what? 20. So let me try to put that underneath. Those two numbers equal 20. Okay, so now I'm going to sit there and say, you know what? I know a combination between 4 and 6, and that means 10. So these two here is going to give me 20 again, because 4 plus 16 is 20. And then I'm going to add 10. So see how I broke that up here? Okay, I actually did this one and this one together, and then I did this one and this one together in order to add those bigger numbers, okay? And of course, you can line them up all on a piece of paper. So 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 10 is 50, okay? So 50, how many digits do I have? So I got to go back to the original problem. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to say 50 divided by 5. So my mean equals 50 divided by 5 is 10. So my mean is 10. Okay, so I'm going to give you some problems today for your homework. So just a reminder, I'm going to add up all the numbers that I'm given. Then I'm going to take those numbers and I'm going to divide, or take that sum, and I'm going to divide it by the number of digits that I have in that problem. And that is my mean. If you have any questions, please let me know.